Introducing our hottest seller, SPF 15 Lip Balm in a classy white tube. This PABA and gluten-free product is a great way to promote your brand or logo. With 30+ flavors to choose from, Lip Balm can make a unique statement each time your customer uses it. It also comes with a variety of options, such as a carabiner or hook cap, and even product combinations, including our patented duo bottles. You can even add a dome on top and complete your perfect look. This product is also gender neutral. Each and every one of your customers can enjoy this product no matter their demographic. Best of all, it's made right here in the USA in an FDA-registered facility. Impress your customers at your next event with SPF 15 Lip Balm.